Washington refused to write Charlie Kirk's name on a bear's birth certificate for a customer.
That you?
Yep.
For what? What did you beep for?
Someone decided to make a left turn from the fucking straight lane. Now
All switching lanes seem to. Whoa, shit! What? We're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, I don't think it was. I don't think it was.
He at ya. Oh, he's about to wreck. Oh, whoa!
Are you fucking serious?
How did that happen?
How he went in?
Fucking
work out their hours, when you take breaks, how much you take paid for.
Exit right.
Oh my god.
4 miles. Half a mile. Keep right. Stay the course.
make sure he's okay.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my god.
broken down, mate?
Oh, Jesus Christ, man, you're throwing the shit out of me then. No, me thingy come loose, I have to type you back up, mucker.
You're parking on a sodded lawn cycle lane,
I
lad.
know, mate, it's over there, or I'll smash him in the face with my stuff.
Well, you could have pulled over somewhere safe. It's illegal for a motor vehicle to cross the white line.
I'm not being funny, mate, it's more legal for that to smash him in the face, and then I get sued. I'm literally
But what about me having to pull out behind you into 40 mile an hour traffic come from
Well,
behind?
you did just gang on 5 minutes and I pulled off, wouldn't I?
So I'm supposed to, the cycle lane's there for a reason, lad.
Well, that's
Some safety, that's all right.
It's emergency. It's emergency, brother.
Well, tell it to the magistrate, lad.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, 2 cameras. Yeah, crossing. Solid white line, crossed it. Yep, see you later, lad. Should secure your load in the first place. It's an illegal load anyway, so I hope you get done for that as well. Solid white line, crossed it. Yep, see you later, lad. Secure your load in the first place.
Where a majority believes in strict construction of the Constitution, when the language is plain, you follow it. And the problem is, I think that they could also say that that language that says Congress may would mean that Congress makes a deliberate choice, that they can pass legislation if they want to.